Welcome to Engine Explorer. This isn't just another truck review. This is the story of how the 2026 Kenworth W900 just reclaimed the crown, and why truckers across the nation are calling it the Diesel King. From the moment this beast rolled out of Kenworth's factory gates, jaws dropped. It's got that classic long-nose attitude, full of chrome, growling like a thunderstorm, and built to crush miles with style and steel. But don't be fooled by the vintage. Vibe. This 2026 W900 is loaded with next-gen tech under that legendary skin. Let's talk powertrain, under the hood. The monster Cummins X15 Performance Series, pushing out 675 horsepower and 2,300 pounds FT of torque. It's mated to an 18-speed automated Eaton UltraShift, tuned smoother than ever. This isn't just powerful eyes precise, pulling 80,000 pounds over the Rockies. Feels like a Sunday drive. And the exhaust note. Pure diesel symphony. That deep rumble is the heartbeat of the road, what legends are made of. Now, step inside. You'll understand why it's not just a truck, it's a rolling command center. Premium, stitched leather, wood accents, a digital dash with a full glass cockpit, and a 14-inch touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to your climate zones. There's even AI-powered diagnostics, warning you of issues before they happen. No more guesswork, no more surprises. And the sleeper. This isn't a bunk. It's a personal suite memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, built-in mini fridge, 32-inch smart TV, even a workspace with satellite Wi-Fi. You can go coast to coast without ever feeling like you left home. But here's what really makes truckers bow down to the Diesel King: its attitude. That iconic grille that never dies stance. The W900 doesn't chase trends, it sets them. And Kenworth didn't stop there. They added smart cruise with adaptive braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot radar, all while keeping that raw connection to the road. It's safety and soul no compromise in a world racing towards electric, where trucks are starting to feel like smartphones on wheels. The W900 roars in and reminds everyone what diesel dominance really looks like. It's not just power, it's not just tech, it's the feeling of commanding a machine that's bigger than life. That's why truckers don't just like it, they worship it. The 2026 Kenworth W900 is not a truck, it's a legacy on wheels, built for those who still believe that the open road deserves a real king. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer, where horsepower meets heart.